Hello everyone, welcome to Best Product. In today's video, I'll be showing you one of the top performing fishing reels in its category, the best bait casting fishing reels. If you're into bass fishing, freshwater casting, or just love high performance fishing gear, this is a reel you'll want to know about. So stay with us for all the details, and let's get started. Product features. Lightweight, compact design. The Tatula TW100 is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for extended fishing trips. Whether you're casting from the shore or a boat, its ergonomic design reduces wrist fatigue, giving you greater control and comfort throughout the day. It's built for easy transport and all-day use, especially when you're targeting active fish that require frequent casting. T-wing system for enhanced casting distance. One of the standout features is Daiwa's T-wing system, a unique innovation that significantly reduces line friction during casting. This results in longer, smoother, and more accurate casts. The T-shaped line guide opens up when casting, allowing the line to exit with minimal resistance, a big advantage when covering large bodies of water. 7+1 ball bearings for smooth operation. The reel includes 7 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 roller bearing, ensuring ultra-smooth performance during both casting and retrieval. Whether you're using light or heavy lures, this bearing system delivers consistent fluid motion, helping you maintain control even when reeling in stronger fish. 5 kg max drag for versatility. With a maximum drag of 5 kilograms, the Tatula TW100 offers enough stopping power to handle a wide range of freshwater species. From bass and trout to walleye and more, this drag system is strong, reliable, and smooth, giving you the confidence to fish in various environments. Excellent gear ratio options. The reel is available in multiple gear ratios, giving you the flexibility to choose based on your fishing technique. Faster ratios are great for burning lures or covering water quickly, while slower ratios provide more control for finesse techniques or deep crankbaits. No matter your style, there's a Tatula TW100 setup for you. High durability and Daiwa craftsmanship. Built with quality materials and Daiwa's commitment to engineering excellence, this reel is designed for long-term use. It can handle tough fishing conditions and frequent use without sacrificing performance. If you're looking for a reliable reel that performs season after season, the Tatula TW100 is a smart investment. Pros. Extremely lightweight and ergonomic design for all-day comfort. T-wing system improves casting distance and accuracy. Smooth 7+1 bearing system for reliable operation. 5 kg max drag offers strength for a range of freshwater species. Gear ratio options to match different angling techniques. Durable construction backed by a trusted brand like Daiwa. Great for beginners and experienced anglers alike. Cons. Slightly more expensive than entry-level reels. T-wing system may require a learning curve for complete beginners. Best suited for freshwater use, not ideal for heavy saltwater fishing without extra care. Final thoughts. To wrap things up, the Daiwa Tatula TW100 is a standout bait casting reel that balances innovation, comfort, and durability in one compact design. From its smooth operation and casting power to its customizable gear ratios, it's a reel that adapts to your fishing needs and grows with your skill level. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a serious angler, this reel provides the features and performance that make every cast count. It's an investment that pays off in both results and reliability. Check the price link in the description if you're interested in getting one for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more awesome gear reviews like this. Thanks for watching Tight Lines, and see you in the next video.